The golden feather.
The golden feather.
One day, the queen
The queen
was taking
was taking
a walk
a walk
in her
in her
garden
garden
when she
when she
found
found
a big,
a big,
beautiful
beautiful
golden feather.
golden feather.
Then she
Then she
met a
met a
little man.
little man.
He said,
He said,
"If you
"If you
give me
give me
that feather,
that feather,
I will
I will
give you
give you
three big
3 big
diamonds."
diamonds.
"Sorry,"
Sorry,
said the queen.
said the queen.
Then she
Then she
met an
met an
old woman.
old woman.
The old woman
The old woman
said,
said,
"If you
"If you
give me
give me
that feather,
that feather,
I will
I will
give you
give you
a necklace
a necklace
of
of
21
21
pearls."
pearls."
"Sorry,"
Sorry,
said the queen.
said the queen.
Then she
Then she
met
met
the king.
the king.
The king
The king
said,
said,
"If you
"If you
give me
give me
that feather,
that feather,
I will
I will
give you
give you
99
99
gold coins."
gold coins."
"Sorry,"
Sorry,
said the queen.
said the queen.
Then she
Then she
met
met
the little prince.
the little prince.
He said,
He said,
"Oh mama,
"Oh mama,
what a
what a
bright,
bright,
beautiful
beautiful
feather.
feather.
Take it,
Take it,
my dear,"
my dear,"
said the queen.
said the queen.
"Keep it safe."
"Keep it safe."
डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको पढ़ना सिखाने के लिए ही इस तरह की वीडियोस बनाई जाती है। आप हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और चैनल की वीडियोस ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि हर किसी को इस चैनल से फ़ायदा हो।